Good day, everyone. I'm Cedric Christoph Barola, alongside Fred Atienza, Jose Neil Bernasol, and James Lactautau, and we are the proponents of the pro- community-based activity project titled Unveiling Rizal's Triumph, a community tribute to resilience and knowledge. So this is a proposed community-based activity project that aims to dive deep into the profound messages in Dr. Jose Rizal's artwork, particularly The Triumph of Death Over Life. This activity seeks to impart valuable lessons on resilience, the pursuit of knowledge, and the enduring spirit of the Filipino people. The literary work or artwork of Dr. Jose Rizal that inspired our activity was the Triumph of Death Over Life sculpture. The sculpture symbolized humanity's victory over death through resilience. The sculpture depicts a woman triumphantly trampling a skull, symbolizing humanity's conquest over death through scientific progress. It signifies the triumph of human ingenuity and resilience in overcoming the inevitability of mortality. The original artwork is currently housed at the Rizal Shrine Museum in Fort Santiago, Intramuros, Manila. Additionally, a sizable replica crafted from concrete is prominently displayed in front of Fernando Calderon Hall, which accommodates the College of Medicine of the University of the Philippines, Manila, along Pedro Hill Street in Ermita, Manila.
The lesson presented in the literary work or artwork of Rizal that will be promoted to the community are resilience and triumph over adversity. Here, Rizal's sculpture portrays a woman trampling over death, signifying the triumph of human resilience and perseverance over life adversities. It teaches us that despite facing numerous challenges, we have the capability to overcome them through determination, strength, and the pursuit of knowledge. Another one is the power of knowledge. Through his artwork, Rizal highlights the importance of knowledge and enlightenment in conquering life uncertainties. The symbolism of the woman triumphing over death signifies the victory of intellect and education over ignorance and despair. It underscores the significance of education in empowering individuals and societies to confront and overcome obstacles. So putting Rizal's lesson into practice as a Filipino. One is embracing resilience. As a Filipinos, we can embody Rizal's message of resilience by facing life's challenge with fortitude and determination. Whether it be overcoming personal setbacks, navigating through socio-economic hardship, or confronting natural disaster. We can draw inspiration from Rizal's artwork to preserve in the face of adversity by fostering a resilient mindset within ourselves and our communities. We can weather through difficult times and emerge stronger. Another one is promoting education and enlightenment. Here, the advocacy of Rizal is for education and enlightenment remains as relevant today as it was during his time. As Filipinos, we can contribute to Rizal's vision by prioritizing education in our personal lives and advocating for accessible and quality education. By continuously seeking knowledge, fostering critical skills, and promoting lifelong learning, we can empower ourselves and future generations to address social issues, promote progress, and contribute positively to the nation's development. In essence, by embodying the value of resilience and pursuit of knowledge and advocated by Rizal, Filipinos can strive towards personal growth, so societal advancement, and the realization of more enlightened and resilient nation.
The community mural project aims to embody the themes of resilience, Triumph over adversity, and the power of knowledge present in results literary and art. By creating visually communicate a message of resilience and triumph, inspiring community members to persevere in the face of challenges. Additionally, the process of creating the mural will involve collaboration and education, echoing Rizal's emphasis on the power of knowledge and enlightenment. Through workshops and discussions, participants will learn about Rizal's life and teaching, fostering a deeper understanding of the importance of resilience and knowledge in overcoming these challenges. In addition, the mural will serve a lasting reminder of these values, enriching the community with a message of hope and empowerment. The duration for the community mural project inspired by Rizal's themes of resilience and knowledge can vary depending on factors such as the complexity of the mural designs, the availability of the participants, and weather conditions uh, if painting outdoors. So, so project duration. In week one, research planning, location selection, and permission is being commenced. And in the following week, we plan to do workshops and training. This includes introduction to Rizal's artwork, workshop for 1 day, artistic techniques and skills training sessions for 5 days, and mural design collaboration sessions. For mural creation, this will take for about 2 weeks to complete of preparing the mural surface and painting session. To the last 3 days of our proposed project, we will do a intensive finishing touches by giving a quality control inspection, uh, sealing, and preservation of the mural. Lastly, the most awaited time of the project is the community celebration through unveiling event of commemorating the exceptional results literary artwork, the triumph of death over life.
Now, let's talk about learning objectives.
So the learning objectives of our project is to deepen the community's understanding of results, artistic and literary artworks, to foster a sense of resilience and determination among participants in facing life challenges, and lastly, to emphasize the importance of education and continuous learning in personal and societal development. The materials needed are paint for acrylic or outdoor paint suitable for murals, brushes in various sizes, paint palettes or trays, drop cloths or tarps for surface protection, ladders or scaffolding for reaching higher areas, sketching materials such as pencil, erasers, and paper, primer and sealant, protective gear such as gloves and goggles, refreshments for participants like juices and snacks, signage or banners promoting the mural project, tools for surface preparations like cleaning supplies and sandpapers. Permission or permits for mural installation is also applicable for this project.
Now, let's talk about the step-by-step activity execution. For the first step, we have preparatory work. The first one is research and planning. Research the historical context of Rizal artwork and identify key themes and symbols to incorporate into the mural. Plan the design layout and consider how different elements will convey the project's message of resilience and knowledge. The second one is location selection. Choose a suitable location within the community for the mural project. Consider factors such as visibility, accessibility, and permissions needed for painting on public or private property. And the third one is recruitment. Recruitment and outreach. Reach out to community members, local artists, schools, and organizations to recruit participants for the mural project. Spread the word through social media, flyers, and community announcements. And for step 2 is workshop and training. Introduction to results artwork. Conduct a workshop to introduce participants to results, the triumph of death over life. Sculpture and its themes of resilience and knowledge. Provide background information and discuss the significance of the artwork within the context of Filipino history and culture. Next is artistic techniques and skills. Offer training sessions on basic artistic techniques such as drawing, painting, and color mixing. Provide guidelines on how to translate ideas and concepts into visual art and encourage participants to experiment with different styles and mediums. Next one is mural design. Mural design collaboration. Facilitate collaboration brainstorming sessions where participants contribute ideas and sketches for the mural design. Encourage creativity and consensus building to develop a cohesive visions to reflect the community's values and aspirations. The third one is the mural creation. First is preparation of mural surface. Prepare the wall or surface for painting and cleaning, priming, and marking out of the design. Ensure that the surface is smooth and suitable for painting. Second one is painting sessions. Organize painting sessions where participants can work together to bring the mural design to life. Assign specific sections or elements of the mural to individual or small groups of participants based on their preferences and skills. And the third one is the guidelines and support. Provide ongoing guidelines and support to the participants through the painting process. Offer assistance with technique refinement, color coordination, and troubleshooting any challenges that arise. So next, we have the fourth one, which is finishing touches. Final touch-ups. Conduct a final inspection of the mural to identify any areas that requires touch-ups or adjustments. Ensure that the artwork is polished and visually cohesive before completion. Sealing and preservation. Apply a protective sealant to the mural to protect it from weathering and vandalism. Consider adding a clear coat or varnish to enhance durability and longevity. Community celebration. Host a community celebration or unveiling event to showcase the completed mural and recognize the contributions of all media participants. Invite local readers, stakeholders, and media to attend the share to the significance of the mural project with broader community. Next one is the discussion content. Results message of resilience and the pursuit of knowledge is relevant today as it was during his time. In a world faced with various challenges, it is a crucial instill in the community the value of perseverance and continuous learnings. By embracing these values, individuals can overcome obstacles and contribute to betterment of society. It is important to be embedded this noble lesson in the community to inspire a sense of hope and determination among its members. By recognizing the power of resilience and knowledge, Filipinos can navigate through difficult times with a grace, strength. Additionally, promoting these values can lead to the more enlightened and progressive society where individuals are empowered to create positive change.
And this is the output that we are expecting. So we expect that the community is a collection of artwork that reflects their understanding and interpretation of Rizal's message. This artwork will serve as a visual representation of the community's resilience and commitment to lifelong learning. Additionally, the project aims to foster a sense of unity and pride among participants, strengthening the bonds within the community. And again, this is Cedric Barola in behalf of Fred Atienza, Jose Neil Bernasol, and James Lactautau. This is our community-based project entitled Unveiling Results Triumph, a community tribute to resilience and knowledge. Thank you.